Acha, look at this. Basically, what is the concept of making in group, okay, or keeping in a group? Suppose, look here, look at this one, huh? This third one, all of you look at this. Acha, how many lock are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Right? Total how many? 27. And look, in how many group it has been formed? Look, first group, first box, second group, third group. Yes, so that means in one group, how many locks are there? Look, if we count in one box, how many locks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that means total is what? 27. And how many is in one box? 9. So if we divide these by this one box, number of one box, then we can find out the number of groups. How many groups or how many boxes are there? Look, 27 divided by 9 if we are doing, then we can easily find the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3. 3 will be the answer. Understood? This one is clear though? Spandan, Fatia? Okay, so that the same thing what we have to do. Suppose it is asked that in you have 20 chocolates. Okay, look at this. You have 20 chocolates. All of you listen to me, huh? Now this chocolate we are dividing in 5 groups. In 5 groups, okay, that means one group, first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. Okay, so how many chocolate will be there in each group? First group, second, third group, fourth, fifth. Total how many group we have made? 5. Shamridha, understood or not? Achha, at first, Shamridha, listen to me. Huh? I have not explained all the thing. Shamridha, listen to me. Try to understand then, okay? Look at this. Basically, 20 chocolates are there. We have to make it, we have to divide it into how many groups? 5 groups. So, just we have to divide this 20 by 5. Understood? As in the question it is given, we have to divide all the chocolates into 5 groups. So, in each group, how many we'll get? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just count. Here 4 chocolates. Here 4. Here 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Total, if we add them, we will get 20. Yes or no? Or Kapriya, yes? So that means basically if we are dividing by in group and there will be equal number of members in that group, then we have to divide it. Understood? This one is clear to all of you, Ankush, Almashuddin? Good. Jinia, Jennifer, Alia Yasmin. Acha, Somriddha Roy. Look at this. Mute yourself. Mute, Samraj. Samraj, mute yourself. Look. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, you have to count the total number. Total divided by, you have to count only in one box. In one box, there is 8. Okay, so total is how many? Count, there will be 24. Okay, divided by the number of pen or pencil in one box only. Then you will get the answer. Now the division in which process you will continue the division, it depends on you, as I explained both the process. Okay. Now all of you. Now all of you open at page number 90, and before that let me mute all of you. Wait. Look at this. Open at page number 90. This one. This page we have to solve today, in your copy. One by one, I'll make you understand, okay? One by one, I'll make you understand. The first one is second one and third one, I'll make you understand first, okay? The first one. Look, though the first one is already done in your book, okay? Still, you have to understand it and you have to continue this in your copy. Look. First one, quality ice cream has 18 different flavors of ice cream. So total how many flavors are there? 18 different flavor. Okay. That means these are the types of ice cream. 18 different types of ice cream are there. So total we can write 18. Yes, Tom. Now we have to divide these 18 types of ice cream, different types of ice cream, if we put them into 3 equal groups. So we have to divide this in 3 equal group. Equal group means in each group there will be equal number of ice cream, okay? First group, second group, third group. So find the how many flavors will be there in each group. So definitely 3 groups are there now. So what will be 18 divided by 3? Yes or no? Yes, Tom. Samriddho? Okay, just do it. Jinia doing? Okay. Acha, now look at this. Don't worry, I'll show you the answer. Okay. Don't worry, I'll show you the answer. मैं answer दिखाऊंगी. Okay. First, let me explain 1, 2, 3. पहले ये 3 सम मुझे explain करने दो. Okay. अच्छा, look. The second one, Betty checked out 6 library books. If she makes 3 equal groups, how many library books? She checked out 6 library books. Okay. 6. And she divided, she makes how many groups? Equal groups? 3. First group, second group, third group. Okay. So we have to just divide this 6 by 3. Yes. Divide this total number of library books by the number of groups. Okay. As there are 3 groups, total number of groups how many? 3. So by this total number of groups, if we divide the total number of books, then we will get how many books are there in each group. Look, 6 though, we can divide 6 in such a way. First group, second group, third group. Look, there will be 2 books in first. There will be another 2 books. Here is another 2 books. So total count, look, there are 6 books now. And we have divided into 3 equal groups. Is it clear, Ankush? Okay. Achalia understood to Rabiul Islam, Samriddho and Orindam Roy. Let me know. Shadik Farhan understood? Spandon? Okay. Now look at this. Number third one. At first complete 1 and 2. Then I'll explain 3 and 4. Look, here are the solution. Write it. Ayman Karan, write the solution. Look, the first one is given. You can write the statement by your own, no issue, but write the statement properly. Quality ice cream has 18 different flavors. If this one is I, huh? If I put them into 3 equal groups, in each group there will be 18 divided by 3. That one is equal to 6 flavors, okay? Complete number 1 and 2 first. Not from 3, okay? No need to copy paste 3, 4, 5, 6 right now. Write it first. Shaugato Manna, I cannot see you properly. Yes. Only I can see your fan. Write it, Atri. Write it first. Jennifer completed. Not in book. Jennifer, you have to complete this sum in copy, okay? Samriddho, Zubair, doing to? Okay, do it first. I am waiting for 4 minutes. 2 sums, 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'll explain number 3. Okay. Let me explain number 3 and 4. Look, this one. Yes, Rahat, I'll show you the full screen. Don't worry. First, look, Nikita put 24 pictures on her scrapbook. If she put them into 4 equal groups, total number of pictures, 24 pictures, right? This is total. Yes, so now she has to put this in scrapbook, okay? And in how many groups? In 4 equal group. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, in such way, okay? That means total 24. She has to divide or put it into 4 equal group. So just we have to divide it by 4. Yes, so normal division. Athrinektas, Ayman, okay. Acha, now the next one, these are very much even easy. Look, the Millers hung 10 bells on their Christmas tree. 10 jingle bells are there, right? 10 bells are there total. And Millers, they have to put this into 5 equal groups. First group, second group, third, fourth and fifth one, okay? In 5 equal group, they have to put it, okay? So, how to put? So that in 5 group, there will be equal numbers of bells, okay? So, we have to divide this by 5. Then we'll get, yes or no? We have to divide. Ayman Karan, Farhan Akhtar. Okay, Fatiha Sultana understood. This is normal division. We have to divide this into 5 groups. 10 jingle bells are there. We have to divide this into 5 groups. Okay. So normal division. Now, 5th one will be your homework. Let me explain the 6th one. Charlie made 20 cards. How many cards are there? 20 cards. If he makes 5 equal groups of them, we have to divide this as cards. We have to divide these 20 cards in 5 equal group. First group, second group, third, fourth and fifth group. So definitely 5 number of groups is how many? 5 groups are there. 5 groups. So 20 cards we have to distribute among these 5 groups. So 20 divided by this number of groups, 5. Yes, Tom? Shakibuddin, yes or no? Farhan, good. Yes. Okay. So Atreyi, Rahat, understood? Orindam, Atreyi, Rahat and Shaugato. Okay. Alia Yasmin, Srijita Das, understood or not? Acha, not. Okay, okay. Let me clear it. Suppose, look, how many cards are there? Acha, in place of cards, forget about cards. How many Orindam chocolates are there? 20. Okay. You have to divide it among 5 friends. Okay. Then each friend will get how many? 5 friends. Just in the question it is given to. You have to divide the chocolate in 5 friends. First friend, there is one friend, here is one friend. Each friend will get how many chocolate? Total 5 friends are there. Okay. So what to do, Arindam? Alia, what to do? Division? Yes or no? Yes, so this is normal division. Okay, Otrinaktas clear to? Now in case of division, which process you will apply? You can write that repeated subtraction method. Okay. Normal method or using number lines. Now I'll show you the answers. Here are the answers. Look at this. Write the solution. Now, here I am telling you one thing, that this division I have not shown over there. It has not been shown. Why? Because this division already so you know. This division not shown, you can do it yourself. Okay? By doing repeated subtraction or by using number lines. Already this using number lines and repeated subtraction division so many times done in class. Yes, though. It has been done so many times. Okay, that's why I have not shown here the division. Look. Complete this. Complete all the sums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is your homework, then 6. Number third one, look, total number of picture is written 24. Nikita puts them in 4 equal groups. So, in each group, there will be 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 pictures. Number 3, complete this. 1, 2, 3, complete this 3 first. Shadik Farhan, write it yourself. You are writing yourself. Huh? No, na? Shadik Farhan, try करो बेटा, okay? Just try it. खुद से लिखो. शादिक खुद लिखना ट्राई करो, ठीक है? It will be better for you, okay, beta? Show me your copy. Okay. Okay, complete it. Shakibuddin, don't worry. No need to take photo. Okay, I'll upload this. Don't worry. Write it yourself first. Number fourth one. Look at number fourth one. It is also total number of bells is 10. Number of equal group 5. Achha, here you can write number of groups also. No need to, even if you don't write equal, no problem. Basically, I have written equal because equal groups means equal number of bells are there. Okay. You can easily write number of groups. Okay. So in each group there will be 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 bells. Now the sixth one. Charlie made 20 cards. Total number of cards 20. He made 5 equal groups. 5 equal groups. So we have to divide by this 5. Hence the number of cards in each group is equal to 20 divided by 5. Okay. Complete this. Complete this. I am giving you 4 minutes. Okay. You will do in book though. Raviul and Afroz, you will do in book from the next day. Okay. Okay. Now let me check your copy.